Hallo, wie geht's, wie steht's? You have chosen one of my beginners video for German. If you look at the playlist, there is the right order you can learn these videos, and in my video description you can see the single exercises of these videos. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe me, like me, thank you, vielen Dank. And in the Kanal info you can have a download link to download the vocabularies of these videos. Viel Erfolg, ciao!
Guten Morgen. Oh, so spät schon. It's so late already. Das ist das Thema von heute. This will be today's topic. How to say the time in German, the numbers in German, how to say the date in German. So you know, this is for basic learners, or maybe to repeat a little bit, but because if you have already heard about the time, how German say the time, it's a little bit tricky, yeah, but you know, with me it won't be any problem. Okay, so let's start with the numbers. Okay, the numbers from 1 to 20. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will start. 1, and you have to say 3. So we always will alternate. 1, you say 2, 3, 4. Let's have a look. The other numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Just listen once again from 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I will start. Ich beginne, and we will vice versa. 1, 2, 3, 4, und bereit? Ready? 1, 3, 5, 7. Let's do it vice versa. You will start with 1. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, we will continue. 9. 9 is 9, 9 und 10. And 11 is a little bit similar in German. 11. 12. It's 12. So, from 9 to 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. So 10 is 10. And then from 13 on, it's 13. 14, 15, 16, 17. So the 17 is a little bit because 7 is the number 7, but 17 is 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. And then from 14 on, we will count. I will start with 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. You remember? 13. Now it's easy. 15, 17, 19. Yeah. Okay. Then a very interesting thing in German. From 20 on, 21 on, okay? You have 21. In every language I know, 21. You read it as you write it. First 21. 21 in Italian. 21 in Spanish. But in German, they read as the Arabs do, from right to left. Ein und, which is and, 20. 21. 22 is 22. 23. And so on. 29. That's a little bit, you have to get used to it, but after a while it's no problem. Ja, die spinnen, die Deutschen. They're crazy, the German. Huh? Okay, so 20. Ich. The ending eg, I pronounce this as a ich. There are parts in Germany you can pronounce it as 20. I will pronounce it ich. And so the numbers 30, 40, 50, you can distinguish them with the ich, 50, 40, 30. You can distinguish them from the 13, 14, because the 13, 14 is 10. So just listen, 20, 20, 30, 30, and so on. 30, 40. From 14 on, this is Z, Z, I, G. Zick. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100. So if you hear 13, it's 13. 30, 14, 40, 15, 50, 16, 60. Okay, we're gonna do an exercise. I will say 14 and you have to, so I will say 14 and you have to say 40. Or vice versa. You have to recognize if you hear a tick, then you have to put it into 10. It's just to, to associate the 40 with the 14. Okay. 13. And you have to say 30. So just think. Okay, we will stop this exercise. 80. 90. 13. 19. 50. 14. 60. 70. 14. 17. 18. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then the 40s, yeah? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So, now you should be able to count from 1 to 100, more or less. 30. What is 40? 50? 60? I'm sorry. 70? 80? 90? 100. Okay. So this is counting in German. The date in German. The date in German is, if you want to say today is what day is today? The 28th. Or let's start with today's the 4th. You just add te after the number. So 4 is 4. 4te is for the date. So you say the whole sentence is heute. Heute is today. Heute ist der. Today is the 4. 5. also with 20. 20. You add the S after the 20. Like 21. Oder heute ist der 10. But if you want to say when you meet, so you do not say today is the, you want to say we're gonna meet on that date. So you have to change, you have to use a special preposition, which is am. And then you say am 10. Am 10. Like T-E-N, like 10. You add always. So on the 4th is am 4. But today is the 4th. Heute ist der 4. Am 5. on the 5th. But today is the 5th. Heute ist der 5. So we're gonna do an exercise. I will give you the number 12 and I will say Datum, which is the date, or am, which is let's meet on that date, or we have I have an appointment on. So if you hear Datum, then you have to say heute ist der 10. If you hear am, you will say am 10. This is also if you want to say my birthday is on the 10th. Zum Geburtstag viel Glück. Zum Geburtstag viel Glück. Yeah, that's the song. So, mein Geburtstag ist am 19. Okay, I will give you the number and then I will say Datum or am and you have to transform it. Umwandeln, okay? From 1 to 3, it's a little bit irregular. You say der Erste for am ersten, der Zweite, am Zweiten, this is okay, but the third, der Dritte, am Dritten. Okay, so, jetzt beginnen wir. Let's start. 10, Datum. 20, Datum. 1, am. 4, Datum. 4, am. 28, Datum. 27, Datum. 20, am. 19, am. Ja. Okay, könnt ihr doch sagen. Mein Geburtstag ist. Can you repeat? Mein Geburtstag ist. My birthday is on. Mein Geburtstag ist am 19. Which month? I will tell you in the video regarding the month. Eine kleine Überraschung.